Yeah. You don't want any of this. Me? I'm a killer. You don't have any time wasting. You niggas die when they pose me. Fuck you niggas. Mika Reaper, serving 10, Big 5. Secure the win. Lesson in sessions. Get your reps up. Top ain't got no competition, and the only one still stepping up. Don't give no fucks, or what? Or you gonna learn your fucking lesson? They know what the decision they can't make. They ain't got no other option. It's their only choice. You sealed the win. It's solidified. It's on a reputation for that fair off of you staying and start and play with folks. What's all this talking? We about that action. Yep. Deal why communicate when you still a bottom feeder and I'm a line drawer. I draw my line, take the shot. I don't owe you nothing. Give a fuck about your motherfucking brothers. You don't want any smoke with me? You damn right. I'm a killer. That's a dead nigga that was on sight. Niggas die when they try to pose me. That's a homicide. I'm a motherfucking slider, motherfucking daughter, nigga. Damage control. That's a lot of damage made. You niggas seeing red. That's a dead man on a dead stage. Finding with your dead page. Fucking with your late stage. Niggas get them guns and shoot your ass and got the main stage. Well, we got money glocks. We got penny shots. Some niggas fucking with the gotta lose your top in the option. That's a fucking option. Niggas still left bleeding. I don't give no fuck. His family fucking ain't got no reasons. You niggas know I'm a motherfucking murderer. Kill them niggas up, homicide, you dirt or holocauster. Murder is shit, what you didn't make, what you got. Niggas hating on that shit, that's my motherfucking clock. You don't want any smoke with top, the dollar, you don't want any smoke with me, I'm a killer. Don't have any motherfucking time to waste. You gon' die today. Niggas die when they oppose me. That's opposition shit. Fucking awesome niggas. Get them rolled up. I'm fucking picking on that bitch while I'm smoking on that dope. Niggas die when they try. Don't give a fuck. You ain't top. You top, nigga. I got the money in my I got that money in my clock. I got the money and it's still gonna be hot. You niggas hating for the option. Got the money on the shots. Well, you niggas hating. I got that money on my clock. Full stage. Make it on that big waist. Rock out. I'm a rock star. Rock out. I'm a rock star.